Hello everyone, this is my EE102 digital design project. For my project, I will be implementing a simple scanner for a cash register. For this project, I will be using 3 different items that have different colors. I will detect these colors with my color sensor. It is connected to Arduino, and Arduino encodes these different colors and then sends them to bases via this breadboard connections. And in the bases, these colors are seen, and their values are totaled here, and their sum is displayed on the 7 segment. Then I will switch to payment part. In this part, I will again detect these colors using the color sensor, where red will be 1, green will be 2, and blue will be 3 liras. And sum will be reduced according to color sensed. Then when the sum reaches to 0 or below, the servo will be opened by the signal sent from the bases. So I will be scanning these colors: 1, 3, 6, 9, 11, and 12. Okay. Now I will go to the payment part. As you can see, I have little LEDs here. These LEDs show which color is being detected. For red, it says 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 0. This is to ensure the color being read is detected by bases correctly. Okay, now I will reduce the sum. Now it will be -1, and the servo will be opened. Now I will explain my RTL schematic. I have 5 inputs: the down button, clock, down switch, encoded colors, and the reset. The down button is used for starting to process the colors. The clock is the internal clock. Down switch is used for switching from taking the input to decreasing the total. The sensor encoded is these 2 inputs that are the colors from the sensors, and the reset button is used for resetting the changes to go back to initial state. First, I have a button debouncer that I use for the down button. If I don't use the debouncer, when I press the down button, it detects multiple pushes because there are some changes and there are sometimes disconnections and connections. So in the debouncer, I use a counter that counts to around 10 milliseconds, and it checks whether I am actually pushing the button for the whole 10 seconds, and if the initial and the end states are both 1, it realizes that the push is actually being pushed, so it progresses with the process. Then I have the arithmetic logic unit. I take the down encoded color, reset, and sum flag inputs. When down button is 0, down switch is 0, and I take the encoded colors. The sum is increasing, and when the down switch is 1, the sum is decreasing with the encoded color inputs. The outputs here are the servo control, where when the total reaches to 0 or below, the signal goes to servo motor and it opens. And I have D0 and D1 outputs of 4 digits. These are the inputs of the 7-segment controller. In the 7-segment controller, their 7-segment representations are the outputs, and that's all.